channel. My name is Zoe. Today we're making banana muffins.
Hello. So
we done 3 overripe bananas. Now we need 1 teaspoon baking soda and garlic powder. and
we don't need garlic powder. So meron na kaming mashed na bananas here. So we need to add, what's that?
We done 3 overripe bananas.
Yeah.
We don't have.
We need
1 teaspoon baking soda. We don't have teaspoon ground cinnamon.
And
we have
half teaspoon salt. So already combined here, Zoe. So do you wanna pour it?
Yes.
Yeah, just dump it there. Yeah, and then you mixed it. Here, mix. Yeah. Mix. And then, what's next?
Some cup of honey and maple syrup.
Yeah, we're only gonna use a 1/4 cup of honey.
And
here.
rest.
Here, do it.
Okay.
Oopsie. It's okay. Where's your small spatula? I gave it to you earlier. Do you have it or no?
No, I don't have it. Where is it go?
I don't know.
Baby, you mix it.
And then you also need a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Okay, so vegetable oil. Down.
And then you need 2 eggs. Do you wanna crack it?
Okay.
You crack it in the bowl first. Ooh, see?
Ew, sticky egg. I have an egg on my thumb.
Okay, you dump here 1 egg. You dump the 1 egg here and then we'll crack another one.
Ew, I have an egg on my thumb.
It's okay, and then another one. And then you mixed it. Mix.
We need 2 teaspoons vanilla extract.
Here is the vanilla.
Well, one. 2. First, second.
Yeah. Okay, after vanilla, what else do we need?
We need some quick oats.
Is it 1 cup? Is it 1 cup?
Yeah.
You want me to put 1 cup here and then you just spread there? More?
Too many.
Yeah, it says 1 cup. Okay, more.
It's too many.
Okay, maybe 1 more. Oh. Here. Do you want to mix it? Okay, you mix it. And then
we need some teaspoons. We need 1 teaspoon whole wheat flour.
Is that 1 teaspoon? It says 1.
One cup with wheat flours and
We need 1 cup whole wheat flour. Okay, 1 cup, same as the quick oats.
1 more.
Oopsie. Maybe 1 more.
Baby. Okay, 1 more.
Oh, good job. Okay, that's 1 cup.
Okay, so
And then you mix it.
you mix it.
So the walnuts, the chopped walnut is optional, but we're gonna put walnuts and then the chocolate chip.
Oats and chocolate chips for
Okay, here.
ta-da.
Ta-da!
Oats.
And then no, you should put it here and not hot in your mouth. Come on, sprinkle some. You think that's enough? Is that enough?
No,
Okay, get more.
too many.
But that's enough because we don't want it too sweet, right?
No,
Oh, hey, put here, not in your mouth. Come on. Oh, mini muffin.
we need a mini muffin.
Yeah, here.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCA.
Do you like banana mini muffin?
The banana mini muffin.
What are they then?
Banana muffin.
Yeah, they're mini.
That not mini muffin. Banana muffin.
Yeah, they're banana muffin, but they're mini because they're small. Right?
Because because when they turn into muffins. Then they were big now. Like this. See, we don't make mini muffins. We're making banana muffins.
You're silly. Sorry. We're gonna have it later for your snack.
Oh yes, I have to put in my lunchbox for school.
For school? Oh, you cannot bring it at school because we put a walnut. You're not allowed to bring snacks with nuts at school. So you can just eat it after school or after dinner, like a treat, a dessert kind of. You like baking?
Yes, I like baking.
What else do you like?
I like banana muffins.
What else? So we bake it at 350 for 17 minutes.
Clean up.
Clean up. Clean up. What's that?
Yellow, blue.
Tikim natin kay Zaki.
Hot, hot, hot.
It's not. Cheers. 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 Mmm. Is it yummy or yucky?
Yucky.
It's yucky. It is yummy. You like it?
Tasty.
Oh, it's tasty. Yum yum. Yum yum. Can you say bye bye?
Bye bye.
Look at the camera. Look at here. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Ingat po.
Not for
God bless po.
respectful.
Yum yum.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Yummy.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum.
Mm. Oh my gosh, you put the whole thing.